Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this episode, we're talking about a 46% Bushmills. This one is the Prohibition edition.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this Bushmills?
That was fun to say, Prohibition edition.
I am so excited to finally try a Bushmills that is non-chill filtered and 46%. Courtesy, of course, the Shelby Company from the show Peaky Blinders. That's what they made us for the final season of Peaky Blinders of putting this out the way that it would have actually been put out back then with non-chill filtering, which I think is beautiful. Like they say, it's by order the Shelby Company Limited Edition. It's whiskey's good proof in water, tells you who's real and who isn't. That's from Tommy Shelby. It's an all ex-bourbon, a mix of 3, 4, and 5-year whiskey, and it's, of course, a blue tinted bottle. I don't know if you guys can tell it, but it's a blue tint rather than the clear using the regular Bushmills. Yeah, it's just got a slight hint to it. It's also got a cork in it rather than the corkscrew, like the little screw top cheap metal thing that's on the regular one. So they had some little nice things for it. They said this would be something you get at the Garrison Hall at the Small Heath Pub, so something you'd be able to order there at the Garrison. So, like I said, it's great for cocktails, and they have some really fun names for this. They have the Shelby Sour, I Don't Pay for Suits, the Birmingham Lads, Grace's Secret, the Royal Ascot, and the Famine Meeting. So those are some fun names they had out there on their website. And like they say about Bushmills, we're not good because we're old. We're old because we're good. All right, so let's see if this 46% non-chill filter lives up to what we've always hoped for all these years, finally getting a non-chill filled.
And if you're interested in the history behind Bushmills, be sure to check out our previous Bushmills original video.
So is this going to be the same thing, a mix of single malt and grain whiskey from Middleton?
Correct.
Okay.
This smells so much creamier.
Yeah, it's so much creamier, and I bet there's a lot more malt in this. Like, I don't smell
that
like
shiny.
Are close
so barely there.
No,
it's like hidden. You have to search for it in the back of the.
Oh yeah, tons of citrus, lemon, lime, orange, grapefruit, vanilla, caramel,
berries,
brown sugar.
See, I get so much of the cereal notes on this one.
Oh yeah, the barley, nice.
Yeah, so malty.
Nice toastiness of it.
Now the citrus is starting to come through.
Yeah,
like a grapefruit.
Barrel char. It just smells really good. Like,
I get a little bit.
That smells awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. The best part is it's $3 more than regular Bushmills. It's $25.
Nice.
And
so I appreciate they're not ripping you off for a special edition. That it's very reasonable and everything you could ever want in a Bushmills.
Is this something that's easy to find?
It's supposed to be. It should be everywhere.
And is this going to be part of their just core line?
Or is this just a limited thing?
They say it's special edition. So I'm hoping that it sells really well and becomes core line based on what it is. But I guess we'll see. I hope it does.
Because at $3 more than the regular.
This smells really good.
Go get some, please, baby.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, I hope it sells out everywhere. And I hope they had to make a lot more.
Oh, come on.
You get a little bit of plum in there.
Oh, come on. That was so much
really
more
good.
rich and deep and dark. It tastes so much older.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes more like an 8-year-old, maybe 10-year-old whiskey than the regular Bushmills.
Yeah, that's got to be the way more malt in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't release what the percentages of either are, but there's got to be way more malt because the fruitiness on this is insane.
The finish is still going.
Still going. Lemon, lime. It's orange, grapefruit, but it's also got like strawberries and blueberries and blackberries. Super hefty, way more oily. A nice cinnamon, a little bit of rye to it. A lot of vanilla.
Got that creaminess, even though it's so rich and deep. It's
a
very
nice drying,
buttery
wood
feeling.
finish too.
Yes.
Like
you're gonna put water in it.
Like a lemon polish, like you do for furniture.
Like a pledge.
Yeah, but not quite like pledge. Just like a really fine wood, more like it's like the lemon. It's like that liquid stuff you shake out. Yeah, kind of like an oil. That's good though.
It is really good. I like this a lot.
Oh, that's so good. That may be one of the best Irish I've ever had at $25.
Seriously,
Yeah, no kidding. That's
I
great.
mean,
For that price
that
point.
is
That's silly good.
spectacular. Yeah, I think I might go through a few bottles of those. Wow, that is
Yeah, I might
really
stock
damn
up
good.
a couple. I might buy a couple to start with.
I like the bottle too. They went
that's
to the
really
slightly
good.
blue hint. I mean, it's just really cool. I mean, it just did a really damn good job, and the fact they're not ripping you off for a limited edition. Hello, American freaking producers.
Right?
That's very nice.
Why don't you? And I mean, even with it being imported,
Yeah,
from
that too, right?
and it's still not ridiculous. And then you come to America and you're like, oh, it's $70 for a $30 whiskey because it's special edition.
Yeah, especially let's slap it on there. No
We
man,
put a
I
different
really
sticker
hope
on
this
it
doesn't
and
come
called it
core. This
Derby
is really
Day.
good.
Did you hear that?
What'd you say?
I said we put a different sticker on it and called it Derby Day.
God, you ain't kidding, right?
We were able to charge you double because it was a
$90.
sticker.
That's right. Ooh, somebody
Oh my-
painted a pretty horsey on the front. Ooh, we gotta charge extra
Seriously.
for that.
Seriously? No.
Mm.
This is good
Yeah,
stuff.
this is really good stuff. I'm
If
really
you happen to find it,
Thank you, Bushmills.
yeah.
Thank you for
doing it.
releasing a good product at a great price.
If you happen to find it in your area, don't be afraid to pick it up because it's worth
Heck yeah,
it.
pick this up. This is delicious.
I might
If-
write Bushmills a letter saying
if-
thank you. Like, this is that good.
can you stop, please?
Maybe.
Trying to fucking talk. Even if you're new to Irish or you're not, big on Irish and you're still getting into it, pick this up. I think it'll help.
Yeah, I think if
Change
you're
your mind
into
about
bourbon,
Irish.
I think this would be a good one to try for a first Irish if you've had it before.
Yep.
Delicious.
Agreed. Good job. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Keep on crocheting, better whiskey in your glass.
cheers. Weasley. Right on the counter.
He's like, because I can.
Thank you.
Well, that's
Ooh,
good
that was
pop.
good pop.
That was a good pop.